Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey Hub, the playground for the future stars in the under-11 category. Today's spectacle, Apollo's astronomical triumph, is set for a cosmic clash as NJYCA Apollo take on CCCA Panthers.
Under the summer skies, the stage was set for an encounter that promised to showcase the young talents. NJYCA Apollo and CCCA Panthers geared up for a showdown that unraveled into a riveting narrative.
Apollo, having won the toss and opted to bat, embarked on an innings that soared to stellar heights. It was an odyssey marked by blistering boundaries and astronomical partnerships, setting the tempo for an epic saga.
The Panthers prowled and pounced, but the Apollo's orbit was destined to remain unbreached. Critical breakthroughs were elusive as the young Apollo astronauts planted their flag firmly on the crease, scripting a tale of dominance.
The Apollo's innings was anchored by the indomitable Rishan Gupta, who fired a scorching 121 not out. But it was the 165-run partnership, a binary star shining brightly in the cricketing cosmos, that propelled Apollo to a formidable total.
The Panthers bowlers ventured into this astronomical battle, delivering a mix of dots and wides, trying to contain the celestial onslaught. Yet, it was the extras that inflated Apollo's score towards the event horizon of victory.
In response, the Panthers' willow wielders faced a constellation of Apollo bowlers determined to eclipse their efforts. Though Ratnavali shone briefly, the pursuit faded like a meteor trail, with wickets falling at critical junctures.
Ozar's spell was a masterful display, sniping 2 wickets and tightening the noose around the Panthers. The pressure mounted, the scoreboard stalled, and the Panthers' chase became a distant dream, etched out by incisive bowling.
Rishan Gupta's thunderous knock was the cornerstone of Apollo's ascendancy, while Reyansh Oza weaved a web around the Panthers, becoming the heralds of this emphatic win.
Mahadyuta Ratnavali's valiant 27 was the solitary spark for Panthers, but it was Gupta and Oza who marshaled the stars, aligning their team's fate towards triumph in this interstellar contest.
Rishan Gupta's thunderous knock was the cornerstone of Apollo's ascendancy, while Reyansh Oza weaved a web around the Panthers, becoming the heralds of this emphatic win.
Mahadyuta Ratnavali's valiant 27 was the solitary spark for Panthers, but it was Gupta and Oza who marshaled the stars, aligning their team's fate towards triumph in this interstellar contest. The echoes of applause resonate for Apollo's young heroes as fans and spectators revel in the aftermath of this spectacular cricketing tale. It's a story that will be retold as these players continue to reach for the stars.
In the end, it was a chapter of Apollo's astronomical triumph that will be etched in the annals of this hub. These moments, these stars, herald the dawn of future champions, as they set their sights on the galaxy of cricket.